How's it going, everybody? Another little vlog for you. Today I'm setting up a little tattoo station in my room to tattoo my friend Sawyer. He's one of my good friend's brothers, so he's kind of become my friend too, for sure. And I've tattooed like all over his forearm and stuff like that. But so yeah, today I'm going to tattoo Sawyer and kind of show you guys a little bit of the process. I'm not a professional, I just kind of do it on my friends, and I try to be as sterile as possible, for sure, always using gloves and not touching dirty things that have doing like cross-contamination and stuff like that. Try to do as much research as I can into that. So yeah, just wanted to put out more videos, so I figured I'd kind of record this process right now. Right now I'm just kind of setting everything up. You don't want it on your...
I don't know if I want it on my arm or like on this one, or I was honestly thinking like this.
That would hurt right there, man.
I mean, it's gonna happen at some point in my life.
Yeah, I think you're pretty good with pain. You could handle it.
That or I just do the chest.
Right.
Just the rose going up to the push.
So you want it kind of big? Like
yeah, definitely. I don't know, but like either right here or... I think it'd be cool to do something like right here. Just, get started on somewhere.
Yeah. I'll be down if you want to.
Heck yeah, brother.
Cool. Hey guys, we're here with Sawyer.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
He's gonna get tatted up like Gucci Mane.
Right here.
He's gonna get that tatted on his face.
Whole thing.
We're gonna do some lip work. It's actually gonna go under his lip a little bit. So it's actually like you see the line here, and then turn the lip over, and the line is like on the other side too. Inner face tattoos, this is a new thing. Oh man, you know what we're doing right now? We're drinking on some PBRs.
America.
Yep, and we're listening to some speaker motherfucking Knockerz, bitch. Be your homie. I had to make a couple bands on my lonely. I had to make a couple bands on my lonely. I had to make a couple bands on my lonely. We got all the tattoo equipment. Very sterile. Done very professionally. We got Ruby the dog. The little girl, actually, she's more of a human girl.
Slow, why you high, ho? Yeah, why you high, ho? Come and put on Drake, come get high, ho. We be on that jet, we so high, we on fly mode. I be flashing on the elite, yeah, but they pie mode.
Yeah, the ring, so it's like a...
It's like a tambourine. What do you call it? Tambourine.
Ring-a-ring?
Tambourine.
Tambourine. Man, it's probably gonna be painful. Go bigger, go! Brother. I don't know what it was.
but I'm an idiot. I'd say I'm sorry, but it wouldn't be shit. But it wouldn't be shit. But it wouldn't be shit. But it wouldn't be shit.
It's kind of hard English.
Listening to
You got that beer for me too?
No, no. Fucking goddamn junkie.
I'm not drunk. Oh wait, is mine the one with the wrap on it? I don't know, you must have opened up another one here.
bitch, I rock very hard. She hours my cock, but my cock very hard. Fucking very hard. Fucking very hard. Bitch, I'm very hard. Bitch, I'm very hard.
I get some.
Oh yeah, bruh. Got a 6-pack rocking. Let me see.
Bands, that's our check.
What's up, bro?
Bitch, ain't no talker talking. Want me do my dance. Bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans. Boy, on my rocket. Bands, that's our check. Talking. Take all your pants. Bitch, ain't no talker talking. Want me do my dance. Bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans.